Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn about how to import sales bill with inventory using the Tally converter developed by API Techno Solutions. Hi, welcome to this tutorial videos. My name is Chirag Mittal. I am from API Techno Solutions, a place where ideas come true. In today's video, we will learn about how we can upload thousands and ma- many more entries into Tally in only one go. So all you need to do is prepare an Excel file and just click in upload by using our Tally converter. So as you can see this on your screen, this you can see this is a format in which you need to upload the files. So here you can see the columns which are compulsory are marked red into the Excel file, which are invoice date is compulsory, invoice number is compulsory, bill reference number is compulsory, voucher type is compulsory, customer name is compulsory. And you, as you can see, if we go ahead, here you can see sales ledger, which is compulsory, which is sales local at the rate 18%, sales local at the rate 18%. It item name is compulsory, tax rate is compulsory, quantity is compulsory, unit of measure is compulsory, rate is compulsory, amount is compulsory. Everything else is not compulsory, but if you have the details, you can put them. This is a complete Excel file in which all the bills related to the sales with inventory can be entered. You can enter the data as you like. So this is a sample file where you can see all I have done some entries here where invoice date is there, invoice number is here, and customer name is given. So what I will do is download this particular file into the CSV format. I will click on download and I will go here. You can see there is a comma separated values.csv format. All I have to do is click on download. When I click on download, a file here will be download. Now what I have to do is go to my software, which is tally.apitechno.com. As you can see, sales with inventory. You have to go to CSV to XML converter. Click on uh, click on bill with inventories, click on sales, and here you have to select the company for which you are doing the entry. If the company does not exist, you can create a company by clicking on add company. Just create the company name here, which you will create in Tally, and after that upload that file. For example, here is we are using the name of Kabir company, so I'm using this Kabir company here. I will choose the file, which is CSV file. I will click on AutoMaster. All the ledgers related to this particular file will be automatically created into the Tally itself. All I have to do is click on Convert now. When I click on Convert, here you can see a new file is generated, which is the XML of sales with inventory has been successfully generated. All I have to do is click Download XML. When the file is downloaded, please open the file using the Internet Explorer browser or any browser you like. Just copy the path of the file of this particular file like this. I will control C it and I will go on Tally. Here you can see I have already selected a company, Kabir company, and you can see there are no entries display into the sales ledger. There are no entries, as you can see. Now we will import that particular file. We will go on import data, go to the vouchers, and we will just copy paste that particular URL, which is Control Alt V, and we'll click on enter here. Now if we will go and check the sales register, you will file those entries here. Yes, here you can see 1 to 2001 ABC company. If I click on this product 1, product 2, and all the entry reference number is this, party name is this, current balance is this, sales ledger is this, all the entry which was in the file are here now. Let me show you the file itself. So if I go here, you can see the file that this is the date, this is the customer rate, and here this is the date, this is the customer name you can see. So that's how you will can upload all the sales file, all the sales inventory, sales with inventory into the Tally software. Not one by one, but in bulk you can upload. So if you ask me why you need to use this software, this looks like a long process. It really isn't a long process. Once we get used to the process a little bit, it's really easy and it's really saves your time. It will almost reduce your working time to 50%, which will increase your productivity to the 30%. So, if you have any other questions related to the sales bill with inventory, please ask me into the comment section. I will make more videos for your comfort. This is Chirag from API Techno Solutions. Thank you for your time. Thank you.